Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children, chapter number 33, that is story writing. Stories तो सबको ही अच्छी लगती हैं, तो चलिए सीखते हैं कि उन्हें अच्छे से कैसे लिखते हैं. Story narration is an art, ये एक आर्ट है. A story may be imaginary or based on real events. An imaginary story is the product of the narrator's creativity, where the writer uses imagination and fantasy to build characters and events. Okay? Some stories are factual. कुछ stories factual होती हैं, drawn from real life experiences. Many stories also end with a moral, teaching readers an important lesson. Now tips for student, keep the story simple and clear. Okay, ज़्यादा complex story नहीं लिखनी है, simple रखें, clear रखें. Use past tense mostly while narrating. बोलते समय past tense का आप use करेंगे. Use linking words, then, suddenly, later, finally. Add a touch of creativity or imagination. Now features of a short story is plot should be clear. आप जो भी स्टोरी बता रहे हैं वो उसका प्लॉट बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए. मेन पॉइंट्स अरेंज्ड इन द प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ राइटिंग अ स्टोरी इज फ्रॉम अ गिवन आउटलाइन. ओके, इन दिस टाइप द पॉइंट्स और द आउटलाइंस आर गिवन. आपको कुछ आउटलाइंस दिए जाते हैं, कुछ हिंट्स दिए जाते हैं. डिटेल्स हैव टू बी फिल्ड इन. स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन अ मॉरल. द मॉरल इज गिवन. यू हैव टू इलस्ट्रेट द मॉरल विद अ स्टोरी. Now from incomplete hints. चलिए यहाँ पर आपके लिए है The Honest Woodcutter. Let's read it. Once upon a time there lived a poor woodcutter in a small village. One day while cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped and fell into the water. He was very sad because it was his only means of livelihood. Suddenly a goddess appeared and asked him what the matter was. The woodcutter explained his problem honestly. The goddess dived into the river and brought out a golden axe. The woodcutter refused to take it. मना कर दिया उन्होंने लेने से, saying it was not his. Then she brought out a silver axe, but again he refused. Finally, she brought out his old iron axe and the woodcutter happily accepted it. Pleased with his honesty, the goddess gave him all 3 axes. So the moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. Next story we have the cap seller. Once a cap seller was going to the town to sell his caps. It was a very hot day. After some time he became very tired and sat down under a tree to take rest. Okay, एक पेड़ के नीचे वो रेस्ट करने बैठ गया. It was very hot and he was so tired that dozed off. Some monkeys were sitting on the tree. They saw his caps. They come down one by one, took his caps out, put them on and climbed back on the tree. When the cap seller woke up, he found his bag empty. His caps were all gone. He tried to find them. He saw the monkey wearing his caps. He was worried. He wanted his caps back. He thought and thought. He suddenly remembered that the monkey liked to copy others. He took off his cap and threw it on the ground. The monkeys too took off their caps and threw them. He quickly gathered the cap and put them in the bag. The pig, फिर से बोल रही हूँ. He picked up his bag and went his way. So moral of the story is wisdom and presence of mind are more powerful than strength. Next sample we have the clever crow. So इस story को बच्चों आप खुद से पढ़ें. Now let's practice. Complete the story with the helping the given आउटलाइंस. आपको यहाँ पर कुछ आउटलाइन दी हुई हैं, आपने इनसे इसे कंप्लीट करना है. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस चैप्टर एंड्स हियर. आई होप दैट दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications.